All right, so we're going to talk about this portable air compressor for a minute because as a woman who doesn't like to ask for help too much, I like to do things on my own. I was sent this portable air compressor to test out, and I have got to tell y'all, if you guys are at all like me and you are in doing things by yourself, this little tool is a must-have. This should be on every woman's Christmas list this year. I mean, seriously. Here we have our riding lawnmower. This thing can do 5 times car tires on per charge. It can do 20 motorcycle tires, 25 bike tires, and 120 basketballs. This is going to come with the different plugins that you can use, which is really great because you can use it for different things then. You can use it for a ball, a soccer ball, a football, a tire, a bike tire, a tractor tire, a car tire. It's digital. So once you click it on there, it's going to tell you, you're just going to push power and look at this. It's going to show you how it's filling up and you can see the tire rising. This has got to be the easiest portable air compressor that I have ever used. I would highly recommend this product to anybody. This hands down is probably one of the coolest things that I've gotten.